Hey everyone, thanks for tuning into Crypto ZX. I really appreciate you stopping by my channel today. To all my viewers watching my video right now, can I please ask you guys to smash that like button and hit the red subscribe button if you haven't already. This does help out the channel tremendously and it also keeps me motivated on making videos for you guys. But with that being said, let's jump right in today's content. Alright guys, before I begin, I would like to say the disclaimer. Anything on this channel should not be taken as financial advice because I'm not a financial advisor. Cryptocurrencies are super volatile, so please do your own due diligence and research before investing in these markets. So looking at the overall crypto market cap today, guys, you guys can see we are currently sitting at $2.26 trillion, down 0.2% in the last 24 hours. Meanwhile, BTC dominance, on the other hand, is currently sitting at 38.9%. As you guys may know, Bitcoin dominance on cryptocurrency market cap and CoinGecko does tend to be a little inaccurate, but as of recording this video, Bitcoin dominance is currently sitting at 41.53%. Looking at the overall markets, guys, markets are continuing that bullish momentum that we have seen in the past 2 weeks, and everything is looking extremely bullish still. We are seeing some altcoins taking off a breather, which is very much needed after having such a green 2 weeks that we have seen, as I have mentioned. But overall, guys, markets are looking extremely bullish. But today, guys, I want to talk about none other than one project that we absolutely love on our channel, and that's none other than Harmony One. Alright, my Harmony One family, if we are looking at the price right now, you guys can see we are currently sitting at 16.6 cents, down 3.8% in the last 24 hours in USD comparative. We're also down 3.4% in Bitcoin comparative over the last 24 hours. A market cap right now is sitting right below that $2 billion mark, to be exact, $1.98 billion. And the 24-hour trading volume is at $146.1 million. Current rank in the cryptocurrency market ranking is at the top 69 spot. If we are zooming out and looking at the bigger picture, guys, in just the last 14 days, we have seen Harmony One up about 18.5%. Nothing too crazy, but we will deep dive into the charts and see what is going on. And I want to share something with you guys that it could be very big for the price of Harmony One. So if you are a Harmony One holder, guys, you guys want to be watching this video till the absolute end. So now let's get right into it. Looking at the Harmony One's price right now, guys, you guys can see we are hovering in the 61.8 Fibonacci retracement level. And one thing that I want to bring you guys right now is that Harmony One is ready to break out of this level of resistance. We have touched it 2 times. We did wick above it, but we never managed to stay above this zone, which is at that 17.763 cents mark, which is playing as a major level of resistance for Harmony One. You cannot make this up. We tried to break out of it one time. A second time we tried to break out of it, got rejected. And now this time around, we have another green candle forming in. So now comes the question, are we finally about to break through and go back into the 0.50 zone and retest this 20.5 cents resistance level that we have not seen, guys, since February 11th of this year? That's the question that's on everyone's mind. And one thing to keep in mind right now is that the 24-hour trading volume for Harmony One is not quite high as it should be. So that is one factor that we need to keep in mind. One thing that could be better is the 24-hour trading volume, meaning that we do need more buying pressure kicking in order for us to see a breakout. But I am expecting a breakout in the next 24 to 48 hours because we do have the overall market momentum pushing towards the upside. We have seen Bitcoin once again break above our level of resistance, which you guys know is so crucial for me. And we are once again above this zone. And I need the price of Bitcoin to stay above here, because if we are above this zone, guys, I'm absolutely happy. But one thing that I want to show altcoin holders is that the BTC dominance is continued to massively go down towards the downside, and that means that the money is flowing up from Bitcoin into the altcoins, because the money is not leaving outside the markets. It's staying within the markets, and we are seeing altcoins really take off over the past couple couple days, and Harmony One is obviously reacting to that as well. Obviously, we have not seen insane movements happening within the Harmony One's price, but I am expecting a major bounce for Harmony One in the next coming days or so. We are going to retest it for the third time, and I do believe third time is going to be our charm if the buying pressure is on our side, and we could even break back into the 0.50 zone and try to retest this major level of resistance at the 20.5 cents mark, which, if I am bringing out the measuring tool for you guys, is about a 23% move towards the upside. So if you guys were wanting to buy, Harmony One back when it was hitting all-time highs earlier this year, guys, now might be the time to be dollar cost averaging in rather than scooping up back when prices have, skyrocketed quite a bit. But if you bought some Harmony One around its lows, which was set on February 11th at 10.9 cents, guys, you're already up. If you picked some Harmony One, you're already up 50%. Let me know in the comment section below if you guys were picking up the bloodbath. I would love to know your thoughts down below. You guys know I'm a huge believer on Harmony One's future. I do believe this project is here to stay considering what they're doing, and you guys know they have brought in a lot of attention from big players. And right now, the price may not be showing that right now, but let's not underestimate. There is a lot of big players that are eyeing Harmony One. The community is massive. It's a legitimate project, so if you have done your due diligence and research, you want to have patience when you are investing in it. But let's say you're here for the long haul. You have done your due diligence, research, and you believe the Harmony One at its current prices, even at $1, is currently very undervalued, then you want to be staking your Harmony One. As I always mention to you guys, Harmony One is a stake of proof of stake consensus. And as you guys can see, if I am going on the 30th spot, Harmony One is the most staked asset, like in the ranking at that top 30th spot, with 45.17% of the circulation supply being staked right now. And this number should not be taken with a grain of salt, because let me tell you why. 45.17% of the circulation supply is literally off the exchanges to be purchased, meaning roughly about 55 to 56% of the circulation supply is right now available to be purchased right now. You may be asking yourself, Crypto ZX, why does that matter? What is the such a big deal about 45.1% of the circulation supply being staked right now? Because guys, right now we are not seeing enough buying pressure coming in, but we have to look at it from this point of view. Supply and demand, as I always mention, when there is major demand coming in, meaning when the volume is literally through the roof, there's a lot of pressure coming in, and there's only about 55% of the circulation to be purchased, guess what happens to the price? Price will skyrocket way faster. And we have seen this happen continuously in other altcoins. I can name Solana, Zilliqa, the list goes on. And that's just the perfect example of, supply shock. And could we see that happen with Harmony One? Definitely. But right now, one thing to keep in mind is that the 24-hour trading volume could be a little better, and then we will go from there. But right now, my next target is that 20.5 cents mark once we break out of this major level of resistance at the 17.763 cents, which I do believe we will break in the next move towards the upside. But let me know in the comment section below what you guys are doing right now, and where could you see the price of Harmony One go at the end of this year? I would love to know your thoughts down below. Do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. That's all I ask for, and that would mean the world to me. I love each and every one of you guys. Thank you so much for all the support. I will see you guys tomorrow. It's been Crypto ZX, and